i35equipment.com. Today we're in the John Deere 310 SK backhoe loader with the JRB hydraulic quick attach system for the front loader bucket. It's pretty simple. It is a little tough to do if you haven't done one before. It's more about lining it up perfectly for hooking it up than anything, but always do this when no one's around. If no one's around, it can't accidentally fall on anyone. Consult your operator's manual and use common sense and safety. So what we're going to do is, got the machine running, got the parking brake off, we're ready to operate. We're going to go to a full safety cradle by pulling the bucket fully curled and back. I'm going to go here to this rocker switch, push down on the red, flip it up. Nothing's going to happen until you then curl the bucket further, which allows the flow of hydraulic fluid to be operated with your hydraulic cylinder up here, which is what is the quick attach is holding the pin in place. So I'm about to pull the lever over and you're going to see this little bit of let's see here. Man, I wish you could see it a little better. Sorry. What's actually going to happen here is that there is a hydraulic cylinder right there. You can almost see the shiny right there, and it's tough to see in the video, but it's right there as well on both sides. That cylinder is going to be retracted, which is pulling the pins out of the bucket, and then you can see that cylinder get retracted, and that is now a loose bucket you have hanging by the top hooks, hook 1 and hook 2 over the top of your loader assembly bracket up there, your hydraulic quick attach system. You're just going to uncurl, and that bucket is free to come off, and you're going to walk out of it in reverse, uncurl fully, and you can leave that bucket behind and go to your next attachment or other bucket you want to utilize. Okay, so now to go back to it, nice and smooth. I will say this is the tricky part because of the visibility of getting the hooks lined up perfectly with your quick attach system. Walk up to it nice and slow, bump it, start curling the bucket slowly up. What you're trying to do is get hooked up. All right, we're just a hair off. You can see here, this hook needs to be about 3 inches over, and that'll allow this hook to drop down here. So anyway, I'm gonna pause it real quick. Okay, got the hooks perfectly lined up on the quick attach system. The pins are not engaged yet. So we're going to go back to the safety curl position. You see where your hooks need to be though, right there. You gotta be perfectly lined up to hook on. There's no space for error on where they need to sit, because if they're sitting perfectly, your pins can then be re-engaged. But if it's not sitting perfectly, the pins won't be able to fit back in their hole. So we're going to go back over here. Going to push on this red, bring the rocker down, and during that amount of time, what's happened is the pins or the hydraulic cylinders have pushed the pins back into the quick attach. So it is fully engaged. What I like to do is uncurl it, not all the way, and then curl it back again. That makes sure your quick attach is fully engaged in the right spot. And then you're going to want to test this out by fully uncurling it while you're not around anyone or anything that it could fall on to verify you are 100% hooked up. It's important that you check it somewhere where no one and nothing can get damaged if it weren't fully hooked up. Do hope that video is beneficial to you, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon with your needs of consignment heavy equipment. You can always see our full update inventory on the website, i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful